Hello everyone, I'm so excited po na ma-share po ang aking testimony sa inyo from depression to transformation. So before ko po nakilala si Lord, I was diagnosed major depressive disorder with anxiety. So nagte-therapy po ako and also I was taking antidepressant medicine. So during that time, lagi pa akong irritable. I like to think negative things na wala namang evidence na totoo. I'm creating a story in my brain. And also, lagi kong inaaway. Lagi akong mainit ang ulo sa asawa ko. Lagi kami nag-aaway. And because of that issue, maraming beses kaming muntikan ng maghiwalay. And nung time na yon, meron kaming pinag-awayan na sobra-sobra. Nag-away kami ng sobra-sobra. And because of my action, I was detained in the jail for a short period of time. And then, ending naman, nag-reconcile kami. And then, we start over again. Nag-move kami dito sa Florida. And, yun, meron pa rin akong bitterness sa asawa ko. But in that short period of time, naging okay ako. And then, later on, bumalik na naman yung pagiging irritable ko. Lagi na naman akong nagne-negative na mag-isip. And then, nag-aaway na naman kami ng asawa ko. And then, one day, I was alone here in the house. And then, asking myself, what should I do to be a better person? And then, these boys behind me telling me, go pray. And then, I just obeyed that voice in my, the voice that telling me to pray. And then, I went to our closet. I kneeled down before God. And before, I don't know how to pray. I don't read the Bible before. And then I kneel down. I was putting my right hand in my heart. And I tell God, Lord, I am tired. I am ready. I will surrender everything to you. My worries and my sadness. Please guide me and let me understand your wisdom. While I was like crying, I feel like I was pouring everything, the heaviness inside my heart. And that was the beautiful prayer that I can imagine that I made since. And so after my prayer, I go back to sit here where I am right now. And then my eyes staring on that Holy Bible, the old Holy Bible that we have that I never ever open. And then this voice again tells me, open it. And then I open it. And then I